Hi guys! Welcome to Mary's Voice Clinic. I'm with Isay Racho at the moment.
Good evening sa lahat.
With Mommy Lisa.
Hi!
And Daddy Vic.
Ang ganda ko dyan sa camera mo, ma'am, ha?
Maganda ka ba dito, Mommy? Kahit hindi sa camera, maganda ka talaga.
Thank you, Coach Marilis, for meeting up with us today.
From Jeddah.
Yes, from Jeddah.
My online cutie.
Yes, my name is Isay Racho, and we just arrived to the Philippines today from Saudi today.
Saan ba tayo ngayon? Nasa?
We're here at La Fiesta, located next to MOA, Mall of Asia.
Yes. Surprise ba to, Daddy Vic?
Yeah, of course.
Ito,
Pinahulaan ko sa kanila sino yung may special guest ko.
Ah, talaga po. Hindi mo nahulaan.
hindi po. Akala ko po si Morissette.
Kasi sabi ni Daddy, letter M.
Letter M.
Sabi, is this Morissette?
Morissette.
Coach Marilis pala.
It's much better. Coach Marilis is much better than Morissette. So,
Talaga naman, Lisa, you're so pretty in person.
praise God.
Tsaka sa online, you're so pretty naman talaga. Very pretty.
Pag sa online ko, medyo magulo. Yung atsura ko.
Kumusta naman yung mga lessons mo kay Coach Marilis?
It's quite an experience. I really enjoy because Coach Marilis is such an open person and she also teaches us really well. I've learned a lot of things through Coach Marilis, and sayang she didn't see me kanina. I hope
Late na naman ako dumating.
Yeah, because I tried
Si Coach laging late.
I tried applying what she taught me because she was the one who taught me the song Di Na Muli.
O narinig ko sana bago pumunta ng Spain.
Yeah.
Have a nice day po. Bye na, Mami Lisa.
Bye-bye!
Bye,
Ang
Daddy
ganda
Vic.
ko dyan sa camera mo talaga.
Ibalik natin. Bye, Sai.
Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe to Coach Marilis.
Share, like.
Share and like.
Marilis Voice Clinic YouTube channel.
Yes po.
Daddy Vic, thank you Si Daddy Vic, #1 supporter ng YouTube.
Number 1 yan.
Pag nagla-live ako, may nanonood.
Daddy.
Have a nice day po.